Hello and welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today we are going to be going over a few items Cody and I would not want in our house because they are hard to clean and they are hard to keep clean. If you have not already, can you do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button? And do not forget to hit that thumbs up because that is going to help our channel. And now on to the video. The first thing we will be talking about is a backsplash where the tiles are not flush with each other. These mixed tiles are pleasing to the eye. They add detail and texture to a room, but they do come with their cleaning issues. To clean the tiles, it is not an easy back and forth movement with a rag or a sponge to clean. The rag snags and each small tile actually needs to be cleaned individually. The majority we have seen are made with a rough tile, and for me, that's kind of like nails on a chalkboard. The tile itself actually snags the rag, and depending on what it is you are attempting to clean off, sometimes it doesn't want to loosen up and be removed. These type of tiles are hard to clean. Rough or raw wooden details. The edges of this floral design are not smooth. This has actually caused the dust to be trapped. We have tried multiple different ways to get the dust out. We have dusted, then used a cleaner with a small brush to try and get that dust to loosen up. We have even tried different cleaners and smaller brushes. I will say that when we first clean, it does look like it may work, but after we return, when it has dried, the dust is still there. Oiling would help prevent this from happening, but we need to get the dust out first, otherwise that dust will just get trapped under the oil. This is definitely not an easy clean, and it definitely doesn't stay looking clean for long. Detailed metal furniture. With all the small spaces and details, this is not an easy clean. It needs to be dusted in multiple different directions. Up, down, left, right, inside, outside, and around in circles. And yes, that up, down, left, right needs to be done on both the inside and the outside. Each small area requires a lot of attention. Depending on the metal, it also likes to snag whatever it is you are using to dust. This type of furniture is hard to clean and it is hard to keep clean. Light fixtures that are upward facing. Sometimes referred to as uplight fixtures, these are typically vanity lights or wall sconces. The opening to the glass is at the top directed towards the ceiling and closed at the bottom directed towards the floor. I have grabbed this awesome snowbird glass and some shredded paper to show you how dust collects on this type of fixture. As you can see, the paper collects at the top of the glass and some will fall down. Now we will flip the cup where the opening is at the top and show you what happens with the dust. It gets trapped and it builds up. Not only does the light fixture get dirty faster, it also is dimming the light in the room. And instead of a quick dust a few times a month and a deep clean a few times a year, the glass will need to be removed and given a deep clean more often. This is hard to clean and hard to keep clean. Any surface made of soapstone. Soapstone may be beautiful and it can make a room look amazing, but it definitely comes with its issues. It is more prone to scratches and dents, and it is also prone to discoloration. Soapstone, in our experience, does not fend well with water, and the water spots are almost impossible to remove. It also darkens over time, requiring it to be oiled with mineral oil, and it can fade within only a short few weeks. A small area like a countertop is not as labor intensive as, say, a floor or a shower would be, but when it comes to cleaning, Cody and I want the inside of our house to be the easiest clean possible. Soapstone is harder to clean, and even after it has been cleaned, it still looks dirty. Cody and I are curious. What are the things in your house that you hate because they're the hardest to clean and they're the hardest to keep clean? Do us a huge favor and leave us a comment below.